Toyota, well known for its transport cars like the RAV4, Rush, Land Cruiser, Prado, Corolla, Spacio, etc. Therefore, with large range of cars on the market that they procure, it can be difficult to compare between cars that we like and want to drive. Today we will see the differences between similar hatchbacks to find which is best you can choose from. Also to remind that these two cars are not in the market anymore as a brand new zero-mileage car. In this car comparison review, we take a closer look at the Toyota Allex and Toyota Corolla Runx, two popular Toyota hatchback vehicles. Before we get down to compare, let's take a look at a quick comparison to see which aspects of the Allex and Corolla Runx will be the main focal points of this matchup. Toyota Allex, a stylish used hatchback. The Toyota Allex was initially developed as a successor to the Toyota Sprinter, a Toyota Corolla model. The styling of this chic hatchback was developed to meet the tastes of the European market, and this can be seen from both its stylish interior and exterior designs. The Allex is a moderate-sized car, with body size measurements coming in at 4,175 mm in length, 1,695 mm in width, and 1,470 mm in height, making it an ideal size for maneuvering easily through urban streets and coasting on highways. In 2002, and again in 2004, the Allex was further refreshed to sport new stylistic interior and exterior designs, with its first generation lasting up to 2006. Toyota Corolla Runx, a popular choice. The Toyota Corolla Runx is another quality hatchback that began production at the same time as the Toyota Allex. Similar to the Allex, its designers adopted the popular interior and exterior stylistic features often seen in the European market across the line of Corolla Runx vehicles. Although an almost identical sister model to the Allex, the Corolla Runx has a variety of minor design differences, like the design of its front grille. The Runx is solid and sturdy, with its body dimensions equal to those of the Toyota Allex. Again, like the Allex, the Corolla Runx received a minor interior and exterior facelift in 2002 and 2004, respectively, with the first generation existing until 2006. Interior and exterior feature comparison. We've mentioned before that these two Toyota hatchbacks are known for their European-inspired styling, so let's take a look at how they differ from each other both inside and out with a side-by-side interior and exterior comparison. The Toyota Allex offers a large amount of internal space, making it roomier in comparison to the Corolla Runx. The Allex offers 5 seats, 5 doors, and a wheelbase of 2,600 mm, along with a ground clearance of 160 mm and vehicle weight of 1,200 kilograms. The car is equipped with a number of useful standard features including power steering, airbags, power windows, air conditioning, radio, and rear spoiler. Additionally, the car is also fixed with an anti-lock braking system that prevents the wheels from locking up and skidding while in motion. The model's exterior is elegantly designed, with big headlights, stylish trimmings, and a large, bold front grille. However, the design and features of the Toyota Corolla Runx reflect the good reputation the model has within the market, particularly in its homeland of Japan. It is lightweight, at around 1,080 kilograms, due to being manufactured with high-tensile steel, making it easier to control in places like highways compared to the Allex. The Corolla Runx has a 5-door hatchback and can fit up to 5 people, and each model is fitted with air conditioning, integrated radio, CD player, and 4-speaker system with a multifunction speaker. The model has high-quality front, passenger, and driver airbags that enhance its overall safety, along with wide seats that offer a large space for legs and arms. Similar to the Allex, the Toyota Corolla Runx offers an exterior injected with European flavor and finesse. Next to price and design, a major point of concern for car buyers in the market is that of a vehicle's fuel consumption and performance. Now, let's have a look at how the Allex and Corolla Runx stack up against each other in the areas of engine performance and fuel efficiency. The Toyota Allex has a serial 4-cylinder engine, with an average combined fuel consumption of around 15.5 kilometers per liter. Its average engine model is 2ZZGE with a maximum power of 139.75 kilowatts, and it has a fuel tank capacity of 50 liters with an engine displacement of around 1,496 cc. The Allex also has a multi-point injection fuel system, with its main fuel type being petrol. However, compared to the Allex, the Corolla Runx offers power steering with a slightly more sports car-like performance. The model runs on 190 horsepower at a capacity of 1,795 cc, with an inline 4-cylinder engine. It offers a 50-liter tank capacity, which has an average combined fuel efficiency of around 11.1 kilometers per liter. Thanks to its lighter weight, the Corolla Runx has a top speed in the range 150 to 235 kilometers per hour. If we come to conclusion on Toyota Allex versus Corolla Runx, we can see that both the Toyota Allex and Corolla Runx share many similarities. The main difference between these cars is their size. The Allex offers a larger amount of space, therefore making it recommended for growing families and their day-to-day. However, with a larger size comes a heavier weight, meaning that for those looking for a zipper hatchback, the Corolla Runx may be the better choice. When comparing features, the Toyota Allex also offers better cruise control capabilities than the Corolla Runx, bringing about a better balance between engine power and fuel economy. However, the Corolla Runx is preferable to drive within particular road conditions, due to its slightly improved overall traction and slip differential over the Allex. In all, while these two popular Toyota hatchbacks offer many similarities, their smaller differences may be the deciding point for purchasing. For families after a safe budget hatchback, the Toyota Allex may be the wiser choice, while for those who are fonder of speed and exploring different road conditions, the Toyota Corolla Runx is a solid option. In either case, you can rest assured you will be buying into Toyota's signature quality. Toyota is always well known for its quality, where their company cars are driven by people for 30+ years. Do let us know your ideas and issues regarding these two cars in the comment. Thank you.